Hey everyone, I'm Ryan Smith with Rock City Church. I'm the Central Production Director for the church. We're located in Columbus, Ohio. We have 4 locations spread out amongst the Columbus area. I'm standing at our Short North location, and we just got a brand new LED wall put in by my guys at VIP Displays. Super professional as far as how they came in, took care of us. For this location, we were looking, it's a 100-year-old building, so we were looking to upgrade the tech. This location, we got a 23-foot by 13-foot wall. As you see, it fills this room really well. What we were hoping to accomplish is just have a more crisp, smoother playback, brighter playback compared to the projectors that we had. Super cost effective. This will also become our scenic for our worship. So as worship teams doing their thing, be able to change the mood, change the atmospheres a lot more dynamically with a wall. Big shout out to VIP Displays for coming alongside of us, dreaming with us, coming up with this killer solution for our church. This community will be transformed because of their heart for the church.